everyone, welcome to Magajis Cuisine. Today I am going to show you recipe of dry coconut masala, Kshatriya style. For that I have taken 2 coconut halves, slightly burn over flame like this. Allow it to cool completely. Now take a pan, add oil, add sliced onion. I have taken 1 medium sized onion. Saute this for 2 minutes. Let this cool down completely. Now cut the coconut into pieces. Add the coconut pieces to the grinding jar. Add sauteed onions, garlic pods, ginger, cloves, few coriander leaves, and blend it without adding water. So here masala is ready. You can store as it is in a tight container, or you can make this as a balls like this, small balls like this, and you can store in a refrigerator for a month. And you can use this masala for veg and non-veg dishes. If you like this recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.